Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable account protection on your Supercell ID. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up any Supercell game and then proceed with logging in to your Supercell ID if you haven't done so already. You can then tap on the menu icon at the top right corner and then proceed to opening your Supercell ID. And now from this page, tap on the gear icon which will take you into settings. From the settings page, if you scroll down, you will find the account protection option. Tap on the activate button. If you wish to activate account protection, tap on OK and you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email address that you used while signing up for your account. So just check your inbox and you will find this code. After entering this verification code, tap on the submit button and you will be given your store codes. Make sure you copy these codes into your clipboard and check the box which says that you have stored these codes. You can then tap on the continue button and you will be asked to add your phone number as well. Just enter your country code followed by your phone number and tap on the submit button. You will then be asked to enter the verification code that you have received by SMS. After entering this verification code and confirming forward, your account protection layer will be added successfully. And now after this point on, every time you log into your Supercell ID, you will need to enter these unique codes that you were given during the account protection setup process. So make sure not to lose this code or you will lose all of your progress on your Supercell account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable account protection on Supercell. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.